Hey guys, I'm Joe from Night ATV. These are our Articats, and I want to show you our shore fours that are in progress. This is the tank lever, and this will get you your manual two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive knob, and your manual diff lock lever up top here. The display lights will work just as they did with your electronic stuff. And over here we have the other option, which is the hand lever, and this will shift you into two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, lock in four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. And this works with models that have the manual diff lock, so you still have your diff lock on there. And then down on that side there, you can see the actuator. So here we're in two-wheel drive, pull the lever, lock the lever in the four-wheel drive position. As soon as I move the wheels, you see it goes into four-wheel drive. Release the lever, and the same thing, as soon as you move, it goes into two-wheel drive. So the actuator you saw is a prototype. The final product is in progress right now. We should have it in stock the end of 2021. Make sure to follow us on all our social media and check our website for any updates.